In this video, we will learn how to create the automatic grid provided by Adobe Illustrator. The grid is usually used to create icons or logos. There are several ways to bring it up, including right-click, Show Grid. Then, you can set the grid spacing through Preferences, Guide and Grid. You can fill grid line every with the number 100 pine. Subdivisions remain filled with 8. OK. Don't forget, if you want to work with grids, make sure Snap to Grid is in on mode. Now, if you want to disable the grid, right-click, hide the grid. Finished. OK, see you in the next tutorial. Please click like. Getting likes from you will help YouTube recommend this video to other friends. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.